Hi, this is Alicia with ARDMOR Windows Doors. Today I want to show you a common window issue that makes many homeowners worry. Take a look. You can't see through the window, the seal between the two panes is broken, moisture is getting inside the unit, which has caused the low E coating to discolor, and condensation has formed between the panes. But don't worry, you don't need to replace the entire window, even if other companies try to convince you otherwise. Windows are designed to have the glass replaced when needed. The solution is simple. Just like when glass is cracked, we replace only the insulated glass unit. We use brand new glass manufactured by Cardinal, the same glass used for decades in Andersen, Marvin, Pella, and other major windows and door brands. You'll get multiple low E coating options, argon gas for added insulation, a 20-year warranty against seal failure, and it even comes with a protective film to help during installation and handling. Want to see real examples? Visit ardmor.com/glass replacement to check out before and after photos of our completed projects. So if your window has fog, condensation, low E discoloration, and you feel cold coming through the glass, we've got you covered. ARDMOR Windows and Doors will make it right professionally, affordably, and built to last. All for the fraction of the cost of replacing the entire window. Feel free to reach out to ARDMOR Windows and Doors.